How to fix gcash application no internet connection problem? Please check your internet connection and try again. Are you facing this problem in the gcash application? When you will going to scan face, that will be having this problem, no internet connection. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to just go to the back. After go to the back, open the mobile settings. After opening the mobile settings, now you have to just go to the apps option, click the apps option and click the app management option. After clicking the app management option, touch here, open the search bar and search here gcash application. And after search the gcash application, click the here down, scroll down and click the data use option. Then disable the mobile data and enable the mobile data and go to the back. Once again you have to just click on the here data use downside. You can see here storage use option. You have to just click on this option. After click this option, now you have to just click on the clear data option. You have to just do the clear data your gcash application. After doing this, you have to just open the play store application and open the search bar and search gcash application and update your gcash application from your play store. Go to the search and gcash application and update your gcash application from play store. After update the gcash application, open the gcash application, and after opening the gcash application, now you can scan that your face scan will be work 100%. If they're showing the black screen, then go to the back and clear the all here. After clear the all and after following the all step, open the gcash application. Now you can easily scan your face. I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure like, and you have to just give here your all permissions options. Okay, so after the giving the all permissions option, then enter your mobile number and you can easily scan your face and it will be work. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel.